know about Ikea instructions is that you really need to follow what the photos show you. So for these drawer slides, there's two kinds that come with this dresser. There's the kind that has this little bump here, and then the ones that don't have it. So for step one, we're using the bump side. So that's just something to keep in mind when you're reading instructions, to really pay attention to the details of the photo. You can look at screw holes as indicators and where the wheels and little separate parts are. Helpful tip. Another helpful Ikea tip is to use your instructions the same way that you would use a printed map. So for this step one that we're getting ready to build, I'm taking my instructions and I'm kind of holding them out in front of me as I line up these different pieces of the cabinet. Here it shows where all the different screw holes are. So as I'm laying down these cabinet pieces, I'm making sure that it looks exactly like it does on this photo before I start screwing things in. I've learned a few times too many to double check this before I get started. So here's our map, and off we go.
Oh no! So, design flaw on Ikea's part, rarity, I know, but you want to make sure that you put the gray little round thing in before you actually screw it all together, because notice half of the gray part is actually behind this one. Right, you guys know the drill. It's already done, it's time to flip it up. Let's hope it doesn't fall apart. Here we go. Did we do it correctly? Oy! Yes!
With one frosted glass drawer. It's really sturdy. The back of it has really thick panels of wood on the back, which is really nice. This one was a little trickier to put together than some of the other dressers that we've done before. Maybe second guess some of the things you're seeing on the instructions. There were some parts where the screw hole was half covered. There's like a mysterious metal bar in between drawers 2 and 3 that I don't understand why that's there. And then for this bottom foot part, like at the very bottom, there's 2 holes. It doesn't tell you what directions the holes need to go in until it's too late. So just pay attention to some of those little things, but otherwise this is a really sturdy, beautiful dresser.